Hey y'all, it's your girl Janay Nikki with a Y, not an E, period. And I'm back with another video with you guys today. So I am back with another hair video. Today is sponsored by a company on Amazon who sent this wig to me to review for you guys. And right out the bat, I just have to say that this wig is gorgeous. So this is a lace front wig. She is 22 inches. She came in this box. She came in this box right here. I'm going to insert some clips of the wig when I first got it, what came in the box, and how she looked when she first came out of the box. So here's that clip right here. First things first, you guys can tell that she is a straight wig. She does not come curly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert some clips for you guys after this to show you how I got the lace laid just like this, how she is looking literally flawless, and how I got her to come out with these beautiful wand curls. The wand curler that I use is from Amazon. I will have all links down below. Please check in the description box for anything that you might have a question on. Your question could be answered if you look in the description box. And yes, so here are those clips of me customizing the lace, getting the lace as natural looking as possible to my head. And here's some clips of me wand curling the hair, and just some clips of how I got to this look. I'm also gonna insert some clips of me doing my makeup just to show you how I got to this full look that I'm looking like right now. But yeah, so this is pretty much a quick video hair review. I just wanted to show you guys how easily that this wig is. It's so beautiful to work with. Like, I love this wig. This is by far my most favorite sponsored wig ever. She's just beautiful. I've actually been wearing her for a while now. It's been a couple days. It's probably been about a week, if anything. But yeah, she is gorgeous. The wig, the lace, the hair itself is just so amazing to work with. Please check down in the description box for this wig. She really doesn't cost that much. She's 22 inches, but the wig has other lengths if you want something longer. Please check her out down in the description box. The company name, the direct link to the wig, the direct link to their store is going to be all down below. So here are those clips of me getting the wig together, and thank you for watching.